Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the poem Trees. Before reading the poem, let us see this picture. Would has seen this picture earlier. This is Adyar banyan tree. It is very good tourist spot nowadays. Everybody can visit that place because it's supposed to be the biggest banyan tree in the world of few years back. It is 450 years old. It has covered the area of nearly 6,000 square feet. That much is a big tree. Even the cyclone Chennai face would not trouble this banyan tree. You feel like getting into the forest. You feel that chillness also. Let us read the poem first. Trees. Poem Trees. The banyan is the largest of trees. The people quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us pleasant shades. The date's leaves is as sharp as a blade. The teak trees gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. A very simple poem. Let us see the glossary. First one is quivers. Quivers means shakes quickly. Pleasant means enjoyable. Okay, are you clear, children? Very good. Now, explanation of the poem. The banyan is the largest of trees. So, among the all trees, banyan is the largest one. The village people, they were spend the time under the shade of the banyan trees because it is very big tree compared to other trees. The people tree quivers in the breeze. Next refers in people quivers in the breeze. It shake very fast when it gets breeze. The coconut trees grows up straight and tall. Mostly all of seen coconut trees. Very tall and straight trees. Neem tree. The neem tree's fruits are very small. It's very good for many medicinal uses. The tamarind tree gives us pleasant shade. It gives us pleasant shade when you travel by bus or vehicle. You could see on both sides most of the places they were having tamarind trees. So we never feel the heat of the sun. Okay, are you clear, children? Very good. The date's leaves is as sharp as a blade. Okay. The teak trees gives us useful wood. Most of furniture at home we will made by teak wood. It's long also. People love to have any furniture done by teak wood. It's useful for wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Mango is a king of fruits. It is very sweet and popular fruit also. It's considered as a national fruit in India. Are you clear, children? Very good. And it's a national fruit also. People love it. That is was he said mango fruit is very good. So in this poem, poet has explained just 8 trees and the uses of them. But simple uses he has said just with the rhyming ideas. But actually we know trees are very important to us. They gives us lot of things to us. Without trees we find difficult get rain. That was everywhere it said to we planted trees to get more water. Are you clear, children? Very good. There are 4 pairs of rhyming words in the poem. Are you know that? Okay. First one is trees, breeze. Second one is tall, small. Third one is shade, blade. Fourth one is wood, good. Are you clear, children? Very good. These are rhyming words found the poem. It's a very simple poem. Are you clear? Very good. Everybody can understand. No much difficult words. It is very simple words only having in this poem. Simply, he explained in the poem what are the things we get from the each one of the trees given in the poem. Are you understand clearly, children? Very good. Go through the poem. Okay, this is memory poem, children. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day.